So in this activity, you are going to locate the epicenter of an earthquake. So here I want you to read the background information on the very famous San Francisco Bay Area earthquake that happened um, basically during like the World Series just before it started, but a lot of people were there already in 1989. And you can read about this background. It's very, very short. It's an interesting background in case you don't know it. And then you can see the three earthquake stations, and there were a lot more than that, but three earthquake stations that picked up the P and S waves in Boise, in Denver, and Albuquerque. And what you're going to do is look at the travel time graphs. These are actually located with the time along the top and the distance here. So I want you to look at these, and here it will actually list that the difference in travel time for the P and the S waves was 1 minute and 30 seconds. And so the calculation is already done for you for the distance from the epicenter. You don't actually have to figure that out in this activity, like do math, because the distance is already listed here as 1,035 kilometers. So you can simply transfer that here. Once you have transferred that information for all three locations, this is the Boise, Idaho, this is the Denver, Colorado, and this is the Albuquerque, New Mexico. From there, you're going to take this map. And this map, regrettably, has extremely large dots. There's no way Boise, Idaho is that big. Maybe Denver is close, but I kind of doubt, these cities are that big. They made these dots way too big. So on the sheet that I scanned in, additionally, this measure is not very well done, in my opinion, because a lot of these distances are longer than 1,000 kilometers and it should be broken up. So I made a new measure for you in the one that's scanned in online. What you're going to do is I put a dot in the middle of your online ones, a much smaller dot, and you're going to take the number that you found here, which is 1035, and from the ruler that I attached here, which if it was me, I would just fully cut it out, you're going to make a circle outward from that dot that is 1,035, just like it said. So outward from that dot with a radius of 1,035, you're going to draw a circle around the very center of this dot where the seismic station is. Then you're going to do a circle that matches the distance here for Denver, Colorado. You're going to do a circle outwards from there, and then you're going to do that from Albuquerque. You're going to find where those three circles intersect, and that is the epicenter of the earthquake. That's all you have to do for this assignment, just to show how you can use three circles to determine the epicenter of an earthquake.